Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to lock Facebook profile officially. So all you have to do is open your Facebook. This is a mobile version, and go to your profile. Just tap on your profile picture and go to your profile, and here you can lock your profile here. So your photo and posts are more private, and even you can unlock it or lock it. Here there's a feature. So the cost of you can lock your profile is you have to be more private. Only friends can see the photo, posts and stories on your profile. Only friends can see your full resolution profile picture and cover photo. People can still search for you and send your friend requests. So please feel to try to lock your profile on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.